Hello, Doğa.
Hello.
Today is your Unit 6 oral test number 1. Where are you? Where are you? You. No? Where are you? Where are you?
Can't.
This one is a school, am I right?
School.
So where are you? Sentence.
I.
Yes, I.
I'm.
I'm.
I'm school.
You will say at school. Okay, put at. I'm at school.
I'm.
Okay, number 2. What do you do every afternoon?
I make breakfast
Very good. I make breakfast.
every afternoon.
But afternoon you make breakfast?
I get dressed
I get dressed
every afternoon.
Very good. Number 3. Where is he?
He's at work.
Number 4. Where are they?
They are in the restaurant.
Number 5. Are they on the train?
No, they aren't.
Can you read?
Rain, sail, leaf, beach, there.
Very good. Okay, now reading and writing.
I'm Lisa. I go to the studio school. I love music. Every Saturday I sing in a choir. Lots of my friends are singers. I like English. I don't watch TV on Sunday. I write stories. I'm Declan. I like sport. On Saturday I play ice hockey with my friends. All my friends like ice hockey. Every Wednesday. Wednesday. I play tennis with my brother. Tennis is great. I love it.
Thank you, Doğa. And say goodbye. See you next time. Bye bye.